God is our help. Ang Panginoon, ang Diyos ang ating tulong. Kapag may kaibigan tayo, kamag-anak, kapatid na buntis, and alam natin na minsan sensitive yung pregnancy or even normal pregnancy, madalas ang ginagawa natin, bumibisita tayo sa bahay nila para in a way tumulong. Kasi alam natin kapag silang mag-asawa lang doon tapos buntis yung babae, hindi kailangan tumulong kasi baka hindi kaya nung misis na maglaba, na magluto, na mamalengke. So, nandun tayo para tumulong. Mamalengke, maglaba, maglinis ng bahay, or even magluto. So, ganun ang ginagawa natin. In Luke chapter 1, verses 39 to 45, Mary, who is pregnant with Jesus, visits Elizabeth, who is pregnant with John, and also, they visit Elizabeth's husband, Zechariah. And alam natin, based on the Gospels, yung visit na yon, they shared the good news of their pregnancies. God's miracles of their pregnancies. So they shared it with one another. And another inference that we can get from this is that since matanda na sila, Elizabeth at Zechariah, matanda na sila, kailangan nila ng tulong in their house. Kaya nandun si Mary to help out in their household chores. So pwede nating isipin yon na pwedeng nangyari yon. So, kasi nga, dahil matanda na si Elizabeth at si Zechariah, hindi nila kayang mag-isa to take care of their house. And because nga pregnant si Elizabeth in her advanced years. So, kailangan nila ng tulong. And Mary, who is pregnant with Jesus, visits them to help out. Sa buhay natin, madalas kinakaya nating mag-isa na talunin ng tukso. Madalas nilalabanan natin mag-isa na talunin ng masamang ugali o bisyo. And madalas, natatalo tayo. And this coming Christmas, we commemorate yung visitation ni Jesus Christ. Yung visitation ni Jesus. Pero yung visitation ni Jesus sa atin, hindi siya temporary. Hindi siya 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, o 1 year. Because He is Emmanuel, God with us. Lagi natin kasama si Jesus. Lagi natin kasama si Jesus, who is our help. Siya ang ating tulong. Patuloyin mo siya sa iyong bahay, sa iyong puso, sa iyong isipan. Hayaan mo tulungan kanya. Rest in Him, depend in Him, para talunin ang tukso. Para labanan ang masamang ugali. Para iwaksi ang bisyo. Jesus Christ is our help. Jesus is our salvation. He is our strength and refuge. Hindi mo kayang mag-isa. At hindi ka nag-iisa. God is with us. And He is with us, who is our help. Si Jesus, ang ating Panginoon, ang ating Diyos. Siya ang ating tulong. Amen.